His Excellency the President is proud of you. He knows exactly what you are doing, and he is appreciative of, the Agenda 4, which he came up with Agenda 4, and in that Agenda 4, health sector is part of that Agenda 4. And it is Kenya Medical Training College, which is the training arm of the government, and 85% of all the health workers, they go through Kenya Medical Training College. And so the President, he knows that he is dependent on you to deliver on that agenda so that you can strengthen our health facilities across the country. And I know when we say study hard, pass your examination, your qualifying examinations, we mean that because we have a target to meet as a Kenya Medical Training College. And we know you're working very hard. We get your reports from your principal, and let me tell you, when we get your reports, you are the best performing, you are one of the best performing in the country. So, Principal, thank you. You are carrying your mandate very well. You normally put your heads high out there, and once you wear that uniform, there is a lot of history behind that uniform. The college, started in 1927, and over years, we have transformed KMTC to the preferred employer, to the preferred institution by all. Kilifi and advertised for 30 positions. And a lot of students applied. A lot of applicants came. Do you know, once they were looking, other institutions were able to apply, but of the 30 positions went to graduates of Kenya Medical Training College, meaning the health workers in the hospitals, they perform well. So once you are there, you are also marketing for the others who are to graduate and who are also to come to the market. I don't know, the lecturers, your principal, they continually continue to train you so that once you come to the job market, you'll be preferred by the health professionals and the companies and institutions that are looking to hire you. And that's why KMTC globally, even if you go to Canada, you go to the US, you go to South Africa, when it comes to Kenya Medical Training College, the name is there. It is a brand name. We train well, and you are part of that training, and we want to keep our name, and please protect our name and continue to do the very best, even if when you graduate, treat and attend to your patients in the best professional way. Let me also say, we've been able to grow Kenya Medical Training College. Now we are talking about 65 campuses we have in the country. From 28 campuses to 65 campuses, we're still growing so that we can be able to meet the challenge of the healthcare for the universal health coverage in the country. Let me also say, our student population, we've been able to move from 19,000 in the last 4 years. Now we can talk about 39,000 students. So the growth is there, and we are being felt across the country. But again, we must keep that quality of learning and training. And that is why we've been able to take, and that is the board of directors. They've been able to strengthen you. They've been able to ensure we bring in additional lecturers, we bring in additional resource, skills labs, library materials, and we strengthen. And also we strengthen our facilities by putting up additional facilities. We've been able to get a lot of support from the government, from our ministry. Madam Cecily Kaloki, our cabinet secretary, we've been able to get additional support, and that additional support is coming to you. And also we've been able to get additional development partners such as World Bank, and you can also see the 2 buses that we've been able to bring to Loitoktok. They are supported and funded by the World Bank, and a lot of support that it is also coming to your way at Loitoktok. There's a vehicle here, let's get them first. It is a proposed site for Kenya Medical Training College Loitoktok campus. This is your growth. This is a growth for you, and we are working to make sure once we get all the approvals, this is an institution that is going to supplement you, is going to provide you with additional training facilities for you, so that we can be able to grow Loitoktok campus. So principal and students, rest assured, we are looking different ways. We are also going to open a satellite campus for you at Kajiado. It will be under the principal here. So that you are talking Imbirrikani, you are talking the Kajiado hospital. You know, it's a big hospital, yeah, but it will be under your principal here. So that now you get additional accommodation. You'll be able to get your outreach, your training sites for you. We're also bringing in a double cabin for the principal here, so that the principal can be able to follow you with your lecturers. So all this we are doing so that we can empower, we can support your institution, and we'll be able to do that. And we are doing this because you are also working hard, the discipline is high, and we get very good reports about you. So we'll be able to support you. Also here, it will be a unique campus if it is approved, and you are working on that approval.